we ended up with an integer solution by luck, okay? And that means that we know the best integer solution along the top branch, and it is 0, 1, 0, 1, and it has an objective value of 9. Now the bottom branch, we don't know even one integer solution, let alone the best one. But we know that the LP relaxation has an objective value that's bigger than 9. And so maybe there's an integer solution hiding in this bottom branch that will beat the 9. Does that kind of make sense? Somewhere I'm not connecting with you. Let's follow up on another question, and we can come back to you.
Okay, so the upper branch says that if you make, since x1 is binary, for the 0 option, for x1 being...
That's the upper branch, uh-huh.
The best you can get is the value of 9.
That is the best integer solution. Yep. Yeah. That we know that, and it's the best. It's the best LP solution as well. But the interesting thing is that we know the best integer solution in this branch, and it's a 9.
So now you'll only try things where x1 is not 0.
Right.
Where x1 is 1.
That's right. And suppose this came back with, instead of 16.2, an objective value of 8.7. Then what would you do? We'd be done. That's the key observation. If you understand that, you're in good shape. If this was an 8.7, we'll see an example that's sort of like that. If it was an 8.7, we'd say, my goodness, we haven't found any integer solutions on this bottom branch yet. But we know that the best integer solution on this bottom branch is not going to beat a 9 because the best unconstrained solution on the bottom branch doesn't beat a 9. Is that okay with everyone? But it's not 8.7, it's 16.2. So maybe, just maybe, there's the possibility that we could beat the 9. So we're going to branch off the bottom, off of this guy, as was suggested. Okay. So there's a bit of language, by the way, that people use when talking about branch and bound. We don't have to make such a big deal out of it, but we would say that the top branch is fathomed, in that we know what it's just a technical term saying we know what the best integer solution is for that branch. It's the 0, 1, 0, 1, which has an objective value of 9. And in fact, the only integer solution we've seen so far is that one. So by definition, it's our incumbent solution. It's our best seen integer solution so far.
Sorry,
It's okay.
that top branch had an integer solution?
It was an integer solution.